Hello students, today I will explain chapter 3 linear equation in two variables, exercise 3b from Dirac rod. Okay. Now in this sums you will use by the method of substitution method. Here they given solve for x and y using substitution method. Okay. So in substitution method, first of all there has given the two variable. So then in first step that you will transpose to any one, दो वेरिएबल में से किसी एक वेरिएबल को ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे. Clear? From the first equation and that's value you put in the second equation and then you will solve. Finally you will get the answer. So now I am doing x plus y is equal to 3, that is the first equation, and 4x minus 3y is equal to 26, that is the second equation. So first of all you bring here the first equation, x plus y is equal to 3, and now you transpose either x or y. Okay, मतलब किसी एक को हम उधर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो हम y को ही करते हैं. तो x is equal to 3 minus y. Clear? So that's value, x की that's value. So you will write here on putting x is equal to 3 minus y in second equation. Clear? Now you write the second equation downside and then 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. Clear students? Now you put the value in place of x, you will write 3 minus y. So here 4 into value of x you write 3 minus y. 3 minus y. Again minus 3y is equal to 26. Now you open the bracket, then it will be 4 3 is 12. Now here minus 4y and minus 3y is equal to 26. Clear? Now finally 12 you transpose to the right side and minus 4y and minus 3y it will be minus 7y. Minus 7y is equal to 26. Transpose to 12, then it will be minus 12 and finally you will get 14. Y is equal to and minus 7, do the work of division, and then it will be minus 14 upon 7 is equal to minus 2. Clear students? That is the value of y. Now here therefore y is equal to minus 2. That's where you get. Again you write on putting y is equal to minus 2 in first equation, then you will get the value of x. Clear? Now in two variable, one variable you got the answer, that is the y is equal to minus 2. Now you have to find the value of x. So you can choose any one equation. इन दोनों इक्वेशन में से किसी इक्वेशन को हम चुन सकते हैं. तो हम इसी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को ही यहाँ लिखते हैं, x प्लस y is equal to 26. Now value of y is equal to given minus 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 2 is equal to 26. Therefore x is equal to 26. Transpose to minus 2 that side, then it will be plus 2. and finally that will be 28. Clear students? Sorry, here they given 3. X plus y is equal to 3 and then it will be 5. So in this way you will get 2 answers, x and y. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to -2. Clear students? Any doubt? So that is the substitution method. Again I am explaining. First of all, x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. There has given the 2 equation. तो एनी वन इक्वेशन, इन दोनों में से किसी भी एक इक्वेशन को हम चुनेंगे, जैसा कि हम यहाँ पहले इक्वेशन को चुने हैं. अब इसमें से 2 वेरिएबल है, 2 वेरिएबल, इनमें से एक को लेफ्ट साइड में रखेंगे और एक को राइट साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पे हमने y को राइट साइड में ट्रांसपोज किया, तो देन प्लस y है तो इधर जाके माइनस y हो गया. नाउ on putting x is equal to 3 minus y in second equation, अब ये जो वैल्यू है x is equal to 3 minus y को हम सेकेंड इक्वेशन में रखेंगे. सेकेंड इक्वेशन में इसकी वैल्यू रखेंगे. तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन हमने यहाँ लिखा 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. now 4 into x की वैल्यू 3 minus y minus 3 and y again you write is equal to 26. Now in next step, do multiply by 4 in these both. 4 का multiply इन दोनों में करेंगे. 4 3 is 12. 4 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to 26. Minus 4y minus 3y it will be minus 7y and 12 plus 12 को transpose कर देंगे, that will be minus 12. Finally minus 7y is equal to 26 minus 12. Now y is equal to, अब 26 में से 12 घटा देंगे 14 और यहाँ जो 7y माइनस है इसे हम यहाँ भेज देंगे, अर्थात डायरेक्टली लिख देंगे हम y is equal to 14 upon minus 7. when you will divide by 7 in this, then finally you will get -2. Clear students? तो value of x you will get -2. therefore y is equal to -2. on putting y is equal to -2 in first equation or in second equation, y की वैल्यू या तो हम फर्स्ट में रखें इक्वेशन में या फिर सेकंड में. देयर इज नो बाउंडेशन, यू कैन पुट इन एनी वन इक्वेशन, किसी एक इक्वेशन में रख सकते हैं. तो इस प्रकार से हमने फर्स्ट को ही चुना. x plus y is equal to 3, देन x की वैल्यू x प्लस y की वैल्यू -2. So that y is equal to, we write -2 is equal to 3 and then x is equal to 3. अब -2 को ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे +2, तो 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. In this way you will get the value of two variable, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to -2. Okay students? Now the next question which is important, that is the question number 6. Question number 6 that has come in board exam. It's important question. According to board exam, there has given a 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. That is first equation. Now 2y plus 7 is equal to 9x. That is the second equation. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल ऑब्जर्व 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, but there has given 2y plus 7 is equal to 9x. That is not in okay proper order. So finally you make in proper order. So then that will be 9x को हम यहाँ लाएंगे. Clear? तो then it will be minus 9x plus 2y is equal to minus plus 7 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे minus 7. Clear? Now you write that is the second equation. सेकेंड इक्वेशन अब लिखेंगे. ये प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में हो गया. Clear? Now you write the first equation here. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. अब इनमें से किसी एक वेरिएबल को हम लेफ्ट साइड में रखेंगे और दूसरे वेरिएबल को राइट साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे. क्लियर? राइट साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो देन 3x is equal to 4 minus 5y को ट्रांसपोज कर दे रहे हैं राइट साइड में, ये हो जाएगा प्लस 5y. क्लियर? नाउ x is equal to 4 plus 5y divided by 3. That is the value of x. Now that value of x you put in second equation. Now on putting value of x in second equation, and then you get that is the second equation minus 9x plus 2y is equal to minus 7. So now I am putting the value. तो again 9 into x की वैल्यू हम लिखेंगे 4 plus 5y divided by 3. Clear? Plus 2y is equal to minus 7. Clear students? Now here you can reduce 3 1 ja and 3 3 ja. Okay? Now from there to minus 3 4 plus 5y plus 2y is equal to minus 7. Clear students? Again minus 3 4 is 12 minus 12 and minus 3 5 is minus 15. Y plus 2y is equal to minus 7. Now you solve. So then minus 15y plus 2y, then it will be minus 13y is equal to minus 7 and plus 12 transpose there, it will be plus 12. Clear students? And now y is equal to, when you balance, then you will get 5 plus 5 upon minus 13. Clear? It will be minus 5 upon 13. माइनस को ऊपर भेज देंगे न्यूमरेटर प्लेस पे. ओके? तो इन दिस वे यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. Clear? Now on putting the value, y is equal to minus 5 upon 13 in any one equation, किसी इक्वेशन में, तो हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में ही रखते हैं. इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन Clear? So now I am putting it will be first equation they are given 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. So when you put the value, then 3x minus 5 into minus 5 upon 13, minus 5 upon 13, that is the value of y is equal to 4. Clear? Now 3x, that will be minus 5 into minus 5, that will be plus 25 upon 13 is equal to 4. Clear, students? Now you will take the LCM 1 and 13, that will go 13 times, 13 3 ja 39, x plus 13 will go in 13 one time, and again there will be 25 1 ja 25. Yes students, is equal to 4. Now do the cross multiplication. अब हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे 13 का इंटू 4 में, तो देन 13 4 जा 52, and now that 39x plus 25 you transpose there, it will be minus 25. अब 52 में से 25 you subtract, so then 12 minus 5, that will be 7, and here 4 minus 2 20. In this way, therefore you get x is equal to 27 upon, there is no space, so I am doing there 39x is equal to 27, then x is equal to 27 divided by 39. Okay students, then it will be 3 9 ja 27, 3 13 ja, finally we will get x is equal to 9 upon 13, and y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. These are all the answers. Any doubt students? Okay students, have you any doubt? So in this way you will solve by the method of substitution method. Clear? On that base you can do the whole exercise. Clear students? Now tomorrow I will explain the elimination method. Clear?